So, let's be honest. You're a law student and you feel like you've been watching all the lectures, you've been attending class, you've been writing your outlines, reading the cases, and you still feel like you just don't get it. Do you feel like it's you? Well, I think I did. I thought it was me. Like maybe I was missing something, or even though I was doing all the steps, I just wasn't getting it. But it took some time and through working with other students to realize that it's not you. The way that law school is set up is that it really emphasizes memorization. The idea that if you can remember it, then you've got it. But it doesn't give enough credence to mastery. The idea that once you've gone through all those materials, once you've gone through classes, do you really understand the law at the deepest levels? Can you walk into somebody at your office and they ask you about a contract matter and be able to spill it out just instantly? It's really something that they say that you can't get for many, many years in practice. But I think the truth is that you can, and that you can get that mastery by really working to create a study method that works well for you. So one of the cool examples is, for example, constitutional law. I took a constitutional law class and I was like, well, what is happening? I was reading all the cases, I was understanding everything the professor was saying, but it just wasn't resonating. It felt like a lot of terms and jargon and ideas, but it didn't really all come together. So when I was writing the constitutional law chapter, I said, let's make it a tour. So the constitutional law chapter of the Food Lover's Guide to Law is a tour through a food-related case museum where you're learning about cases that the Supreme Court has decided on that are all about food, whether it's tomatoes or chickens or mushrooms, all really interesting cases that teach some of the principles that are core to constitutional law and doctrine. And I found that working with students, this really helped them to be able to feel like they mastered it. It wasn't just something they remembered or a term that they could recall, but it was something that all fit into a great bigger puzzle, a bigger picture that they could then recall and now have a deeper discussion about. That why is constitutional law like this? How does history play in to the ways in which the law was created? So I think that a study method that focuses on mastery really makes you a better student and a better lawyer, because you're able to really digest the material and then enhance it through the discussions and the work that you do in your practice and with other students. So really, as a law student, be thinking about not memorization, but mastery, and find materials that allow you to do that and allow that to be an approach that you take to your law school career. And I'm telling you, it will benefit you in the long run. Thanks.